the Toll Regulatory Board approves higher toll rates along NLEX effective June 4, 2024. Class 1 or regular cars and SUVs traveling anywhere within the open system will pay an additional 5 pesos, additional 14 pesos for Class 2 or buses and small trucks, and 17 pesos more for Class 3 or large vehicles. Those traveling end-to-end between NCR and Mabalacat will pay an additional 27, 68, and 81 pesos for Classes 1, 2, and 3 respectively. The TRB says this is part of the approved second and final tranche of NLEX toll rate adjustments.
Okay, yung balita kung sa SCTX.
Oh, if you would compare kasi yung
end-to-end.
NLEX versus SLEX, parang mas maganda yung daan papunta ng NLEX.
No, NLEX kasi has wider and longer roads. As you also have the SCTX and the SILEX. At SILEX ba ang tawag doon? Yung Central Luzon Expressway Link. So medyo...
Bakit? Ba't mo ko tinatanong? Ikaw yung nagda-drive, di ba, pag umalis tayo?
Kahapon ka pa.
Passenger lang naman ako.
No to bullying.
Bakit?
Husbands unite.
Grabe siya. Pero going back to sa pinag-uusapan natin, sinasabi nga nila, bakit may mga pagtaas ngayon ng mga toll fees, especially dyan sa NLEX? Because nung 2018 until 2020, they have invested for signages, etc. And ito na yung
Actually,
paniningil.
Nakailan delay na rin yung ng toll fees, pag-angat.
Kasi nung
if you remember, nung pandemic, di ba, they kept it at a minimum dahil madaming nag-request si Pangulong Duterte at that time. So ngayon daw...
Because yung mga frontliners,
actually
yung mga
even with this increase, it's not even enough yet to maintain yung mga roads. Pero ang promise kasi nila, incremental ang gagawin nila. In tranches. So for now, yung mga in-announce natin kanina at nakita nyo sa screens natin, ganun ang pagtaas natin.
Okay. Next.
Problema.